Hi everyone! In this video, we'll learn the 70 most common English verbs in the present, past, and future tenses using I. If you're ready, let's get started! Go, I went, I go. Come, I came, I come. Do, I did, I do. Make, I made, I make. Get, I got, I get. Give, I gave, I give. Take, I took, I take. See, I saw, I see. Say, I said, I say. Tell, I told, I tell. Think, I thought, I think. Know, I knew, I know. Find, I found, I find. Feel, I felt, I feel. Try, I tried, I try. Leave, I left, I leave. Call, I called, I call. Work, I worked, I work. Ask, I asked, I ask. Need, I needed, I need. Help, I helped, I help. Talk, I talked, I talk. Start, I started, I start. Finish, I finished, I finish. Use, I used, I use. Move, I moved, I move. Live, I lived, I live. Love, I loved, I love. Like, I liked, I like. Hate, I hated, I hate. Play, I played, I play. Watch, I watched, I watch. Listen, I listened, I listened. Eat, I ate, I eat. Drink, I drank, I drink. Sleep, I slept, I sleep. Wake, I woke, I wake. Buy, I bought, I buy. Pay, I paid, I pay. Open, I opened, I open. Close, I closed, I close. Run, I ran, I run. Walk, I walked, I walk. Drive, I drove, I drive. Travel, I traveled, I travel. Learn, I learned, I learn. Teach, I taught, I teach. Study, I studied, I study. Read, I read, I read. Write, I wrote, I write. Remember, I remembered, I remember. Forget, I forgot, I forget. Meet, I met, I meet. Wait, I waited, I wait. Choose, I chose, I choose. Change, I change, I change. Win, I won, I win. Lose, I lost, I lose. Believe, I believed, I believe. Hope, I hoped, I hope. Plan, I planned, I plan. Decide, I decided, I decide. Build, I build, I build. Break, I broke, I break. Fix, I fixed, I fix. Clean, I cleaned, I cleaned. Cook, I cooked, I cook. Smile, I smiled, I smile. Laugh, I laughed, I laugh. Cry, I cried, I cry.